This is the Orange Team monologue assignment, created by Kate Dreckman, Mitch Pichon, Maria Sandoval, and Maria Tran. After reading about anti-immigration laws, one of the most prominent and controversial laws in the United States was State Senate Bill 1070. The image for this interior monologue is of a protest that took place in Arizona on July 31st, 2010. The image we chose depicts both sides of the argument surrounding SB 1070. As part of Arizona's laws, SB 1070 was a portion that made racial profiling legal in Arizona. It required law enforcement officers to verify the citizenship of any person that they are dealing with in a lawful way. So when Latinos would be pulled over, it was perfectly legal for them to ask for their paperwork to make sure they were American citizens. So this picture that we chose depicts a protest where some citizens are in favor of these laws and some are against.
The lady I chose is the most prominent and animated person in the photo. She's an example of a white American who is in favor of the controversial Arizona SB 1070 immigration law. She is holding a sign in front of a man that states, "American rights first." I am a white American, born and raised in the state of Arizona, where I've lived my whole life. Our state recently has been flooded with illegal immigrants who lack documentation or the ability to speak English, but yet they have been allowed to stay. We need to protect American rights first. These illegal immigrants have broken the law by entering our country illegally. Legal immigrants had to go through the process to obtain citizenship. Why shouldn't they? We need to protect American rights first. By allowing illegals to stay, we are allowing violent and potentially dangerous criminals in our homeland. They take our jobs and don't pay their fair share. We need to protect American rights first. Why are we protecting illegals who don't belong here?
I chose the Latino male in the picture. He is in this country legally, but opposes the new law in Phoenix because of the racial profiling that he has experienced in the past. It upsets me to see that I don't have the equal protection under the law, that the Constitution does not protect me. It hurts that I am now a target because of the color of my skin. It angers me to see that Latinos, whether they are here legally or illegally, have to walk around in fear. They have to carry around proof of citizenship. Nobody else has to do this. Why do I have to put up with this? I refuse to live in fear. I believe that this is my country and these are my rights as well. I am not a criminal, and nor should I be treated as such. I am a Latino who's here to work hard, provide for my family, and live like any other American.
I decided to choose this gentleman here because he's probably not your typical SB 1070 supporter. I read an account about how some Latinos in Arizona were for the law because they felt that they had done everything correctly to become an American citizen and that these laws were helping protect their rights as American citizens and that illegal immigration was giving true citizens like them a bad name and causing trouble for them in their communities because of the fact that they enter the country illegally. I am an American. I have been here 27 years. I own my own business. I belong here. When I came to America, immigrants were hardworking, followed the laws, contributed to this country. I belong here. Immigrants today take from America, bring crime to our streets, bring trouble to American citizens, and give Latinos a bad name. Here. Laws like this protect Americans, people who came here the right way. These laws help get rid of illegal criminals. They don't belong here. I will stand up for these laws that protect people like me. I will protest to help give Latinos like me a good name. I am an illegal American citizen who is mistreated because of the stigma created by illegal immigrants. I belong here. I belong here.
There is no doubt that we see something new every day. These men fighting for the rights that he believes illegal immigrants have, but they are not American. How difficult will it be for me to have to arrest illegal people? How much more work this new law is going to add to my daily work? Does the government think that we don't know if it will be a good idea to deport all undocumented people, or if we should deport only those who have committed a crime? I hope that this problem will resolve quickly because I don't even want to think about the pain that it might cause. I want the law to be enforced, but I wonder, can we continue living the way we are living now? Wouldn't it be better to give documents to those who deserve it instead of continuing to speculate about what might happen if we don't?